Hi, my name is Mary Miller. I'm the principal here at Fulton Academy of Science and Technology, also known as FAST. This is my third year as principal and my sixth year here at FAST. So why don't you come into our front office? I want to talk to you a little bit about safety here because we know that's always a concern. We have cameras throughout our property, both in the hallways and around the outside of the property, including on our playgrounds. So we have the Raptor system here that allows us to do background checks on all new outside people who come to school. You may not be able to see as we walked in, but all of our glass doors on all of our buildings have been bulletproofed. So we want to make sure that our students are super safe. We also have fobs on all of our doors, and the only people that can get in and out of the buildings are those with fobs, and that would be teachers and administrators. We also have an SRO, or a security officer, here on campus. She is also an auxiliary Roswell police officer, so she has a direct line to Roswell Police. So in our front office, we have all of our administrative offices, our chief business officer, my office, the principal's office, our data clerk, and our both elementary and middle school assistant principals. Our dean of students offices are also housed over here, as well as our conference room. This room is our innovation hall, which we use for lunch and all sorts of activities. It's a great place for the kids to have social time and learn to interact with one another in appropriate ways. Now that the innovation hall has cleared out, I wanted to point out that we do have two full-time counselors here on staff, one for middle school and one for elementary school. We want to make sure that all the social and emotional needs of our students are being met at all times. We also have a dean of students who works directly with me on discipline, and we work here on making better humans. So our discipline is not necessarily punitive so much as a way to help children be better in the future. We also have a small library over there that is run by many volunteers, and we are very lucky to have them. Kindergarten is one of the most important academic years of your child's experience at school. And here at FAST, we believe in teaching the whole child and play-based learning. Our kindergartners not only have time to do academic work, but they also have time to do work in centers and have independent playtime, which allows them to build relationships with one another, learn skills like waiting their turn and being safe and asking for help. We have 3 kindergarten classrooms. All 3 of our kindergarten teachers are amazing and have been chosen for their special talents as kindergarten teachers. Each of our kindergarten classrooms has a bathroom to ensure that our students have everything that they need as they take their first steps into school. And as you look around the room, you can see that they are learning all sorts of things, from beginning letter sounds all the way up through writing sentences. Here at FAST, we have 3 first grade classrooms with amazing first grade teachers. Come check out one of the classrooms. So as you can see, our teachers have student work posted. We have classroom libraries and lots of space for students to work both independently and collaboratively. In kindergarten and first grade here at FAST, we do have a handwriting program. We use the Zahner-Blasner handwriting program to make sure that our students build their fine motor skills in preparation for upper elementary school and beyond. We also have a SEL program here, which is social emotional learning. Here at FAST, we care about not only teaching academics, but teaching the whole child. So we want to make sure that we're addressing empathy, problem-solving skills, and how to calm down. The program that we use here for our SEL is called Second Step. It's a nonprofit organization. It's a nonprofit organization that gives us the resources that we need to support the students, not just academically, but socially and emotionally. All right, come on in and see this second grade room. Here at FAST, we use a unique math curriculum. It's called Math and Focus, and it is based around the Singapore math methodology for teaching. It's all about learning conceptually, so not just teaching children algorithms, but also having them use those algorithms in real world situations, application in projects and other types of activities across the curriculum. Now I'd like you to come into one of the calmest rooms here at FAST, Miss Addison's third grade classroom. The students right now are getting prepared to start their ELA lesson. Here we use a very rigorous ELA program called Wit and Wisdom. It's authentic text-based, and so the children are constantly reading real books and having really authentic experiences with text, as opposed to what you might find in a traditional public school where they're using a basal reader or an anthology where only pieces of the text are given to the students. At FAST, we have a gifted and talented program, also known as TAG. Right now, we are using the pull-out model for our elementary school students. So all of the students who are considered TAG students are pulled out of class 1 day a week to spend time with the TAG teacher. Our middle school students receive their TAG services in science and social studies. TAG screening happens twice a year, once in the fall and once in the spring. Once the children are screened and identified for testing, the testing occurs and the child is then, if they pass the test, is then enrolled into the TAG program the following semester. So if a child is screened and passes a test in the fall, they will be enrolled in TAG for the spring semester. All right, come on to one of our amazing fourth grade classrooms with me. So here at FAST, we aren't just focused on science and technology and mathematics. We also teach social studies. So our social studies program that we use here follows the Georgia state standards. And we use as a supplemental resource something called Studies Weekly. However, the teachers do a lot of project-based learning around the social studies standards to make sure that the children really are grasping the concepts that are really buried deep within the history that they're learning about. So we are a science and technology school, so this video wouldn't be complete without me talking a little bit about the technology that we have here. At FAST, we believe that technology is a tool, not a toy, and that it should be used for a purpose. All of our students are issued either a laptop or an iPad. Our students in 2nd through 8th grade are issued laptops. Our kindergarteners in 1st and 2nd grade are issued iPads. In addition to our one-to-one laptops, each one of our rooms holds a Promethean board, which allows the teachers to connect their computers to the screen and have interactive lessons with the students using technology. All right, I am really excited to show you something that makes FAST really unique, our Genius Hour program. Come on with me to this 3rd grade classroom. Hi, guys. What you working on? Genius Hour. Wow, you made dragons? Wow, look at all of this work.
I made a fire.
You made a fire? I'm seeing so much creativity.
I made a house.
Nice job.
And we're doing this food presentation.
Wow, so sometimes our students even use technology when they're doing Innovation and Genius Hour. Some of our children choose to be a little bit more traditional with our Genius Hour projects. And here we even have, what does this tell me?
It's a puppet.
A puppet that she's made from clay. Oh, beautiful.
And marker. It's a TNT marker.
That feels weird.
And ear picks.
That's awesome. Good job. So here at FAST, we are not only science and technology, but we also have the arts available for our students. In elementary school, our students rotate their specials classes, one different special each day. We offer fine arts, music, computer science, health, and PE. In middle school, the students choose which specials they'd like to have, and they have that special for 1 quarter throughout, one of the 4 quarters throughout the year. So if they have 4 different specials in middle school. As you can see, this is some of our lovely artwork, and we are working really hard here at FAST to go not just from STEM to STEAM. All right, so here at FAST, we are really lucky to have a full-time registered nurse on staff. This is Nurse Victoria. She does an amazing job with our students, and they will be in good hands with her. Middle school life at FAST. Just like any other middle school, our students have different classes with different teachers. So they change classes throughout the day. Each class period is about 55 minutes long, and our students see their core classes as well as their coding teachers as a core class, their innovation or capstone teachers, and their specials teachers throughout the day. Middle school specials is broken down a little bit differently than it is in elementary school. They have one special a quarter. We offer some really unique specials classes here. This year we're offering music tech for students who are interested in that, and we are also offering an illustration course in replacement of the general fine arts class for our middle school students. We are a science and technology school, so let's not forget about science. This is one of our middle school science classes. Here we offer science daily for kids in K through 8. We also offer high school level science courses for those students who are accelerated. Our science program is based around the Georgia State Science Standards, and also we use FOSS as our supplementary resource for the teachers. However, the teachers try to do as much hands-on learning as possible in our science classes. Lots of experiments, lots of writing, lots of exploring the world around them, making the learning in science as authentic as possible. All right, so here at FAST, space is always at a premium. So we do have some trailers here, but we want you to see what the trailers are really like. Come on in. As you can see, they're large and airy. They have windows. They have all of the amenities that our regular classrooms have. Only middle school classes and tag classes are held in the trailers to ensure that the children aren't in here all day long. So welcome to one of our 7th and 8th grade classrooms, and I want to talk to you about another really important thing we do here at FAST that is unique, our capstones projects. All of our 8th graders participate in a capstone project. It's a year-long project where the students choose a subject that they are interested in learning about, and go through the entire process, the entire design thinking process all the way to the end. And when they finish the project, they then present it in a TED Talk style to the community at large.